the Filipinos and the Mexicans.
Right here in the United States.
And he caught him. Oscar hasn't landed anything significant here in the first round, so in the first minute he hasn't just thrown Carson to win and made Manny feel his call yet. But Oscar can set up that left hand. He's in a brazen on the nose of Oscar De La Hoya already. Oscar slaps the left side of the body of Manny downstairs. Manny has a tendency to bounce and skip, and if he throws that left hand down the middle, he can get dropped at times with the left hand down the middle. But right now, he's concentrating on positioning there.
And De La Hoya with the right hand glued to his chin, expected Pacquiao to throw the big straight left hand down the middle. And it's been tried a couple times, and De La Hoya has managed to smother those shots.
Manny touches him up with his jab that time, and the left hand lead for Manny, which is his power shot to the southpaw. 2 minutes gone. De La Hoya's not winning the first round at this point, in my opinion.
And looks a little roughed up around the nose area, too. Some good, sneaky shots getting through by Pacquiao.
Now Oscar opens up for the first time. Touches Pacquiao to the right temple bone as Pacquiao is bent over. You know, part of the philosophy for smaller guys is sometimes to make yourself smaller like Whittaker used to do. Pacquiao can bend way down